Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are well. This is Dr. Ravi here. I'm again from my clinic, Dubai, and your personal doctor and physiotherapist. So today we are here with our new video. In this video, if you are doing computer job and if you are finding the solution for your neck pain, or if you are having no pain at the end of the day, so this video is going to be life changing. Yes, I'm going to talk about normal neck pain relief exercises in this video. So in this video, which all people can take a benefit if you are doing a computer work, because nowadays 90% of the white collar job they are having computer work. So all the day they are sitting in front of the computer. So that's why there is a chances they usually have a neck pain, and nowadays because of too many users of the gadgets, you almost spend 4 to 5 hours in front of the mobile. So like that, when you are doing in front of the mobile, so there is chances these muscles are getting too much strain, and that's why you have a neck pain, neck muscle ache and everything. So this video and this exercises is going to be very beneficial for you. And as I always commit in my all of the video, at the last of this video, I'm going to show one magical exercises that in case if you're not able to follow all these things, at least if you just do that one exercises, if you don't have any neck pain while doing your computer job or something, if you can follow this one exercises every 2 hours or 3 hours in between your work when you are working on the computer, this will help you to prevent your 90 to 100% of your neck pain to having in the future. And yes, I'm serious about that because I'm telling in front of the camera, that's it. Okay, now without wasting your time, let me just tell you this all exercise which all patients can do. So first of all, the patient or the person having a normal neck pain, they feel little bit not comfortable in the neck, they can follow these exercises. Now if you are already starting to develop spondylosis and if you are diagnosed with neck pain spondylosis, these patients also they can use these exercises as a part of their normal regime or the routine exercises. Apart from that, if you have any kind of the disc pain or something like that, this all patient also can follow all this exercise, and with that their chances their neck pain and the cervical pain will decrease. But again, while doing every exercises, the rule is very simple. In case while doing exercises, if you feel pain or discomfort, or might be after doing exercises you feel some kind of numbness in the hand or neck pain increase with that, make sure you stop these exercises. Contact to your physiotherapist, your doctor, or might be you can put the comment below so I can try to help you out and answer you all your questions. Okay, so without wasting your time, let's directly jump to our first exercise. So in the first exercise, you have to sit like this way, and you have to just do the shoulder up and down like that. Repeat, and all of the exercises you have to repeat for 10 repetition. The rule is very simple. In my all of the video I'll tell all exercise you have to repeat for 10 repetitions. So this is purely shoulder up and down. Now in case if you are doing exercise with me, make sure you pause the video, finish the 10 repetition and move forward. So actually you feel like I am just in front of you as your personal physiotherapist and I am making you to do the exercises. Okay, so you will not feel like you are watching my video and doing exercise. You feel really I am there and making you to do exercise. Okay, now next exercise you have to rotate your shoulder 10 times and reverse. Just make sure, watch properly and do that. Now this exercise, it's little bit hard for some of the age group between after 40 or 50. So it's okay if you're not able to do this exercise, it's totally fine. Instead of doing this rotation, you can also do this exercise. You can see like that. Again repetition 10 times. Okay, fine. Now we move forward to our next exercise. In next exercise, you will take your hand front like this way. Just watch carefully, this exercise is very important. Because in my personal practice I have seen there are so many patients that are doing this exercise very wrongly, and if you are not doing rightly, so there will be no benefit. So you have to make sure you will take your hands like this way and just take it straight fully back as much as possible. You can see me? Okay. Now I am just showing you from the side. You can see my hand position, how I am doing. Just make sure as much as possible you take back and from the back angle. So you know how I am doing. Okay. So this exercise again 10 repetition. After that exercise, you make your hand like this way and you will do like this. This is 1 count, this is 2 count, like this way. Again 10 counts you have to follow. After that, you might be thinking like, no, I'm talking about neck pain exercises and why I'm showing shoulder exercises. Your question is totally fine, but let me tell you, my friends, see, whenever you have a neck pain, there is one muscle, it is called as the trapezius. It is connected from your neck to the shoulder. So whenever you have a neck pain, so it is really needed that you also release the pain and the muscles from the shoulder joint. Then only you will have a proper effect in the neck muscle. Now we're going to forward for a neck exercises, particularly for the neck one. So now in the first exercise, you have to do up and down of the neck. Again 10 times. Then after that, we will do left and right this way 10 times. And after that, this exercise, sideway bending. Okay, now just to understand this exercise, make sure you touch with your earlobe to your shoulder like this way. You can see me? Now, some of the people, they do like this, but don't do that this way, because if you are taking your shoulder up, you are not able to achieve full movement from your neck, so you are cheating yourself. Okay, this is just a part of joke, but I am telling seriously. So some of the patient, this one exercise or this one movement, almost in my experience, whoever the patient I have treated, 60 to 70% of the patient, they are not able to do fully like this way, not even half. Why this one? Because at a certain age, we are doing too much of computer work, using too much of gadget. This muscle and this region of the neck is become very tight, and that's why this movement is highly restricted. So if you can do fully like this way, it's very good exercises. And in case with these exercises, in my next video also, in coming days, I'm going to show neck stretches exercise. If you are not able to achieve this exercise, we can also open up this exercise with that stretches. Okay. Okay, now we are moving to our next exercise. So now here we reach to our last exercises, one magical exercises. I told you this one magical exercise is very important. In case if you are doing computer work all the time, at the moment might be not having a neck pain or something, but this exercise, in case if you can do in a day while doing computer work every 2 hours or something, you can prevent almost 80 to 90% of chances having a neck pain in the future. Okay, so in this exercise, what you're going to do, you're going to hold your hands from the back like this way and stretch back and down and little bit up and take your head back. Hold for 5 seconds, then release. You can see me like this. I'm showing from the back like this. Hold it like this way, and if possible, just squeeze your neck like this way, left and right, and relax. Again, if possible, as much as possible, try to take it off. So this exercise again you have to repeat for 10 times and hold for 5 seconds. This one exercise, if you are able to do it in a day at least 3 to 4 times, so it is very good exercise to release your all the muscle from here. Even after having a very stressful day in a office or something, if you can at least do this exercise, it will prevent your 90% of your neck strain from this area. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, if you are watching me the first time, in case if you don't know what is all about me, what I am doing and why this channel about, make sure you watch our introduction video that you can see somewhere in the screen or might be you can find in the description. So you will have idea what kind of the content you will expect from this channel. And now you are new to the channel, if you having a neck pain or some of your friends or family, just think about it. If anyone has this kind of pain or computer work, they are suffering from all these things, make sure you just share to all of these people this video, so I can help so many people all together with your help. Okay. Apart from that, if you are coming to the first time, make sure if this content of the video is something adding some value to your life, make sure you hit the like button, so that one motivate us, because we are doing all this video shooting in our busy schedule and we need motivation from all the subscribers. And I really appreciate that so many of my subscribers, friends, they are sharing video, everyone, and our channel is growing like anything. So thank you so much for all your support. And at the moment, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you will not miss any notification or the new video when we upload. And so that way, I'm going to end up this video. We'll see you in our next video. Till then, take care of yourself, and I love you all. Thank you so much. Take care.